Hello. So a while back I found a software tool for Minecraft, and with that software you can actually create a huge map of your world, and it works both with single player worlds and with server worlds. And it's called Overviewer, and yeah, it's command based, so you need to type a bunch of commands in the command prompt. But I actually created a little software that helps me around here. It's basically a little script here. And yeah, this is just the code for it, and it will load configuration files, basically. And those configuration files look like this. For example, where the world is saved. Some other options here. Uh, it's normal, it's the nether, or the end. This is, yeah, this is the overworld. And also the rotation of the world or the map itself. Where to save the map, and if you want to use a texture pack for the map, that's what I do here. And how it works is that I open this software that I made myself, and it's pretty simple. All of that text you saw is comes down to this. So you open the command prompt, it will open it automatically. And it will also go directly to the sort of overviewer software, that map that is stored in. And what you do next is that you will select a world on this little software. For example, if I want to use my main world, it will load that configuration file. But I'm actually not going to use this map because it's kind of big and it will take a long time to render that map. So I'm just loading the test flat sort of map that I have. And then I just press start render here, and it will load the textures from the texture pack. It should, at least. And depending on the size of the map of the world, or the world itself, the longer it will take to create this map. And this is a pretty small world, and it's flat as well, so it will take about a minute. And I actually am recording as well, so it will take a little bit over a minute. But if you have a huge server world, it might take several hours to make that map. So you have to kind of consider that. For example, my main world will actually take about between somewhere with 10 and 15 minutes to render. So that's why I didn't choose that map or that world here. I just took the flat world here. So this is how it looks when it sort of renders the world, and it will tell you when it's done and also where the sort of save is. So yeah, 30 seconds left here. Having a little drink here. A couple of seconds left here. And it's done. And you open the index.html file. And I have a special maps folder here, and here you see that test flat that I just made. So you open that, and here's the index file. Just double click on that one, and here is the map. Yeah, it opens the web browser. It uses the web browser. And how this works is that if you hold down the left mouse button, you see the hand there grabbing the map, and you can drag the map around and just release the left mouse button, and you zoom in and out with the scroll wheel on the mouse, and it will start to scroll where your hand is. So if I want to start to zoom in here on this building here, just place the hand over there and it will start to zoom in there. So that's kind of how it works. And here you can see that it's actually using my texture pack as well, because this is not the default iron blocks. Iron blocks are kind of white in Minecraft, but to me iron is kind of grayish. So yeah. And of course I have made another map of my main world as well previously. And yeah, but well, it's look kind of black, but you have to actually have to zoom in a lot here. And yeah, this is kind of a big world. And this is actually the spawn, world spawn. So if you're a new player, you should spawn over here. And then I just built some stuff here, an iron farm. The iron farm over here. And over here is the nether portal tower, the main sort of place. So yeah, you can drag the map around to view everything. And this is my special gold farm. It's pretty big. So every portal is the max size, 23 by 23 blocks. So yeah, it's kind of fun to play around with. I also made some big chicken and some cow and sheep and pig. Here's a little castle that I made. But yeah, it's kind of fun to play around with. Just to zoom in and out. And if you scroll down here, you see over here I got a guardian farm as well. And this seed is kind of funny as well, because this is the sort of spawn. Well, the original spawn was actually right over here, but I just moved the spawn to over here instead. But over here, you see this island here. This is actually the mushroom island. And it's actually pretty close to spawn. You know, spawn is right over there. Right over here is the mushroom island. So it's not that far away. And there's a boat pirate ship. But one thing that is really far away is the jungle. Over here is a jungle area. So yeah, they are pretty far away, and they got some Mesa islands over here, or Mesa places. And what is really, really far away is actually the ice spikes area. And there you can see I made a nether sort of transport system. So this is the portals to the nether. And over here I got some podzol forest, I call it. So there are podzol blocks over here. So yeah, it's kind of fun to play around with. So you can see all the buildings that you have made. So yeah, just want to show you. And yeah, I put links to Overviewer in the video description as well, if you want to try it out for yourself. So yeah,